Hi, my name's Kathryn Gardiner, and for a living now I work as a counsellor, and my property at 14 Teal Drive in Edinburgh was sold. There was a bit of an issue with selling my house in that it sold and it fell through and it had to go back in the market. And I found that McEwan Fraser were really supportive in that situation, which is not the situation that any house seller wants to be in. The thing that attracted me to McEwan Fraser was the reach of their marketing, and I think that the number of viewers I had through the door was proof of that. In my street there's several houses that had been for sale for a few years, 18 months and upwards, and my house went on the market in August and was sold within a couple of weeks. And although that fell through and it went back on the market in the end of October, it was sold again in the December, and that completed at the end of January. So the fact the deal fell through was difficult, but the marketing reach and the number of viewers that they got through the door, and the good communication about the people could contact them in the evening and they would get to me, appointments were booked, that was very slick. And I felt, as I say, in that difficult situation that they were still supportive in helping me get the house back on the market and get it sold again. And the reason that my house did sell the second time was that it was bought through the part exchange scheme that McEwan Fraser offer, and that was the attraction for those buyers. And they were delighted because, again, they'd been trying to sell their house, and they were really pleased that they were able to move up into the property that they wanted. I would recommend McEwan Fraser because it's a difficult market, and I think the good communication, the fact that you can go online and you can find out what's happening, you don't have to constantly be on the phone, and we all check things online on our phone, and it's much easier to do that. It made me feel more in control of what was happening. So I would recommend it to my friends or anyone that was selling a house, particularly in an area where it's difficult to move houses on.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.